Okay, so in this video, I'll show you guys how you can remove the background on a picture in Photoshop. So right now, I'm going to remove the orange background on this picture and I'll show you the best and easiest way to do this. So first of all, you want to make sure to open up that picture, get rid of this and then add a layer, okay? So you want to make sure to add a layer and then select layer 0. So select the picture. Now once you've done that, you want to click on the quick selection tool right there. So it's right there. And then you want to make sure to select the plus one, okay? So don't select the minus, but select the plus. And you can then click on your background and it should automatically select the background, okay? So if you do it like that, you can see that it automatically selects the background, which is great because right now you can easily remove the background without too much trouble or like different hard stuff. It's just pretty easy to do. Like all you need to do is select the background, and if you now click backspace, it should actually delete the background. Now you can see that on some parts there's a slight background that still shows up. You can customize that and get rid of it by once again doing the exact same thing. So right now the size is a bit too much. If I just go one step backwards, there you go. I'll just do it like that, and you can then pretty much do this, okay? So you can then customize it, but this is pretty much the easiest way to get rid of a background in Photoshop, just like that. And if you then do that once again, it will be removed as well. But yeah, that's how you can do this. So this is kind of the easiest way to do this. If this video helps you out, make sure you go ahead and leave a like on the video. I would appreciate that. Let me know in the comments down below if this works, and then I'll see you in the next one. Have a good day.